The one thing to worry about, the wind. It's really not all that cold, but that wind is going to maybe take your breath away and cause you headaches on the roads. We've had winds gusting this morning over 40 miles per hour. Ames had a wind gust of 46 miles per hour, and it's going to continue into the afternoon. We started out the day really calm, not too bad, and then bam, by mid-morning, that's when the big winds hit. And now they're going to be sticking with us right throughout the afternoon and evening. That brisk northwest wind will continue to howl and possibly not even letting up until about midnight or so. Current winds are gusting over 30 miles per hour in central Iowa, even 40 now in Grinnell. Lamoni, I was watching yours as it was bumping up closer to 50 miles per hour. Do be extra careful on those roads today. It's going to try to knock you around. The wind advisory is across about the western half of the state, mainly along and west of I-35 here, and this will be in effect until 6 p.m. this evening for those winds, gusting at times over 45 miles per hour. Now, so far, it does not include Polk or Story counties, but we'll have to see. It doesn't mean that it's not going to be windy here, just maybe not quite as windy as it will be off to the west and to the southwest. Just be careful. The reason for the wind, we've got an Alberta Clipper diving through the Midwest. It's bringing with it a lot of wind, a lot of clouds, but not much precip. We do have some sprinkles and some flurries up across northeast Iowa near Decorah, and then even here in central Iowa, we've seen some raindrops of our own. Really no accumulation is expected here, just maybe enough to wet the pavement from Fort Dodge down through Ames, Ankeny, and over toward Marshalltown. Mainly just some sprinkle activity, but a few stray flurries are going to mix in from time to time, right through about 5 p.m. Then that should be moving out of here, and skies going to clear out overnight. Now tonight, with those clear skies, that new cold air mass settling in, it's going to be very cold. So tomorrow morning at the bus stop, those kiddos will need to bundle up. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll have the clouds move right back in here, but shouldn't have any flurries with those, and not much wind tomorrow. As we head toward Wednesday morning, a couple more flurries will be skimming the northeastern part of the state, but really no big weather makers are on the way. Downtown Skycam is showing the overcast skies. It was so nice to see the sunshine earlier. Now it's been covered up by the clouds, and a couple of sprinkles too. It's 45 in Des Moines, feeling like 37 once you factor in the wind, so you still do need those warm coats out there and the hats for outdoor recess. The wind will be generally calming down throughout the evening very slowly. Overnight lows headed back to the teens, but it's going to feel colder with any wind left over. Wind chills by tomorrow morning will be close to 5 degrees. Here's your 8-day forecast. The wind gets out of here by early Tuesday, and then the weather actually looks really good for this time of year. Highs stay above average for the most part, even near 50 degrees or better as we head toward the weekend and next week, and no big chances of precip, no big rain or no big snowstorms on the horizon.